GIS-based suitability mapping of banana in the Philippines.
For a country to be progressive, agricultural production should improve and contribute to food security and national economy. Land resources should be utilized optimally for different land uses, especially crop productions. Different crops have different growth requirement for soil, temperature, and rainfall. The challenge is to match this crop's growth requirement to areas where they can met. Crop suitability assessment addresses this challenge. The higher accuracy is now achievable through the use of the latest remote sensing products and the use of Geographic Information System or GIS. These new crop suitability maps will contribute to the country's goal of increasing agricultural production and sustaining food security.
This study sought to utilize GIS to generate suitability map for banana in the Philippines. Specifically, it sought to develop a framework for banana suitability mapping that uses GIS and various spatial data, create various thematic maps needed as input to suitability map, and publish the suitability map as static and interactive web-based maps.
Various software were used in the study. GDAL or Spatial Data Abstraction Library utilities were used in repetitive tasks that require script programming, such as the reproduction and mosaicing of ASTERGDEM or Advanced Spaceborne Thermal Emission and Reflection Radiometer Global and Digital Elevation Map (TILES). PC raster software on April 16, 2015 version was utilized in the quick visualization of maps and in non-complex map algebra. IDRISI or Selva software was utilized in the cross-tabulation of constraint maps. ArcGIS 10 was utilized in the map, layout creation and printing. The banana suitability map that was generated by this study have two versions. First, it is a static map, and second is the interactive map. In the figure 7, the banana suitability map for Laguna Province, it shows the output suitability map or as a static maps for banana in Laguna Province for a sample for provincial scale map output. And if you observe the legend, in S1, the forest green color, it represents the S1 or highly suitable. And for S2, including the Kelly green, lime, green, violet, red, yellow, and cyan and pink are the S2 moderately suitable. And for S3, for purple and red color, it represents for marginally suitable. In figure 8, banana suitability map of the Philippines, it shows for the entire Philippines or Philippine scale map output examples. And the figure 9, it represents the interactive weight-based version of the banana suitability map in the Philippines. This study dealt with the GIS-based suitability mapping of the banana in the Philippines, using GIS together with the most recent sensor-based data on elevation, temperature, rainfall, and land use. A banana suitability map covering the entire Philippines was generated in a very short period of time. And lastly, the reference cited.